Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add items to your favorites on the Ikea application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select an item that you want to add to your list of favorites. You can either use the search bar at the top of the screen in the upper right corner. So you need to type in the name of the product that you are searching for. Or you can also use the explore and get inspired page. At the home page you need to select from these categories. And now you are ready to get inspired from these pictures. If you see a product that you are interested in, you just simply tap on the picture and then tap on the product itself. So if you want to add it to your list, all you have to do is tapping on the heart icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. So just simply tap on it. So now it has been added to your wish list, but first you need to enter the name of your new list. Tap the button confirm. So now your wish list has been created and the product has been added to it. If you tap on the heart icon down below, you can see that it appears at this page. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.